Here is my note-taking tool, and I chose Google Keep, where I have created 3 different notebooks. So right here, I have taken this one for Kim, so Kim 112, which I am in right now, and used this where I have put in like a website, and this is a little source to help me understand like the strengths of intramolecular forces. So here's the shapes of molecular forces, a practice exam, describing. Right here is our lab for this coming week, and right here is paper chromatography, which we did a couple weeks ago. My other one is this equine management and techniques. So I have put, this is my course theme for this year. So biosecurity tips for show season. So here I have put some notes about what we need to do. Right here, highlighted some stuff. I put this in yellow just to make sure I remember this is bold and like important. And right here is like the website for it. Here's some other basic practices with the websites and some other stuff. Then here I have my horse shows for this coming year, for the next month or so, month or two, and they just each have the horse show date, and then here is the attached horse show bill for the show.